man, I thought I was gonna be done today. I was like, all right, nothing to post about. I have one video I'm gonna post at 6, so make sure you guys have your post notifications, and also if you're new, make sure you're subscribed. I've dropped like 4 videos today. This is crazy anyways, but we got some news now. This is the type of stuff we've been looking for. We're following along now. I think it's great for you guys who've been following the videos, but Trump went on a crazy spree. I sold my Amazon calls right at close, and then I watched them run up on me, and I was pissed because I saw he was already tweeting a little, but there was like some Wall Street Journal thing, and pretty much the headline is he said it's unlikely they're going to go back on the Chinese tariffs on the $200 billion in goods. So pretty much he's saying that no deal is going to happen at this G20, which is in a couple days. Well, pretty much he's saying he's going to do it regardless, and what was pretty much followed up with was that if China doesn't want to negotiate, he's going to add 200 billion more. So this kind of changed the narrative. The markets reacted instantly. Literally, this is, you know, your close is like right up there at the top. It's been dropping, so I'm sure this has only been like 40 minutes. We're going to see how market closes, or excuse me, coming into futures, you know, and tomorrow morning, but it's not looking too good. I doubt this is going to be good. Even the yuan started climbing. There's the daily chart. Let me, you know, I think oil, pretty much everything reacted almost instantly. Here's the 1 minute on the yuan. It started moving. So the markets interpreted this pretty negatively because people were waiting for this. We had a talk on the webinar today. It is going to be a politically, this is what we were saying, that regardless of what happens, it's going to be a politically fueled move where the catalyst is going to come whether there's a deal or not. But I was saying, I don't think there's going to be anything. I think, you know, maybe we have a gap up or something like that. But in general, I said a gap up and then it fades. But there's no such thing as deals being made at G20 where it's like this deal-making playground. People talk, people meet, but historically, the G20 is not something where a big monumental deal is going to be made, or even if there is agreements, as history has shown from when they meet at somewhere, whether it be a Paris Accord or anything like that, it's what happens afterwards and how they follow through. So it's, you know, I think the tariff and trade wars, I think that's going to start coming back more to life. I'm going to be interested to see how it plays into crude, but that, more bad Apple news today. We could be setting up for the market to kind of come down. We had a nice run up today, which was great, but that is definitely going to be something I'm watching. How this plays out. I think one thing too, Trump may even be making it sound worse so that if they do work out a deal, it brings the markets up. So, but the potential for something to happen on Friday, again, I think something will happen, but the scope and magnitude, that's where we're having trouble now, and that's kind of my game plan moving forward. I did get some puts. Maybe I will talk about some of the puts in another video. I think tomorrow we'll go over some of those because I've already posted a lot, and I got to get some of these calls done. But there's a reason in this market, with this environment right here, has created something. So I want you guys to be able to see it. Hopefully you're following along with this. You guys have a wonderful night. Enjoy it. I got to get back to work. I love you all. Stay in school. Make sure you're subscribed. Get in your applications if you haven't. And yeah. Bye.